Here's a tip you can use to easily make your writing more persuasive, and it comes from page 83 of the High Value Writing Book. When you're trying to convince somebody of something and you have a variety of reasons why it's a good idea, put those reasons in the order that will resonate most with that reader. Match the order of reasons to the order in which they're going to care about those reasons. Here's a quick example. The new plan will promote higher revenue in various sectors of our economy while creating opportunities for recent college graduates. I've said two good things about the plan. Now I'm going to stop and think about who? My reader. And in this case, what if my readers are all in higher education? I think I need to do a switcheroo here. And I'm going to say the new plan will build opportunities for recent college graduates while promoting higher revenue in other sectors. More persuasive because it's built to meet the reader with what they care about.